Here are 3 pre-sale gems that have 50x upwards to 100x potential that you need to load up on before the end of May. Guys, welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're talking about 3 pre-sale gems. Before we see the video, I want to let you know it's not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I am not a financial advisor. But May has been a slow month, an interesting month for the overall crypto market. What do I mean by that? We saw it started off May, Bitcoin doing absolutely terrible. We're really anticipating Bitcoin to pump post halving, but unfortunately it was the other way around. However, Bitcoin is slowly starting to recover. I have a Bitcoin video I put out earlier today talking about how Bitcoin is about to go parabolic, and we imagine when Bitcoin goes crazy, so will meme coins. Now imagine if meme coins are going to go crazy, what's going to happen to the pre-sale coins that aren't even live yet? Exactly, we might see some parabolic gains. Let's jump into this top 3 list. Overall crypto market looking good. We are creeping back into neutral. We're dancing with greed and neutral. I anticipate in the upcoming weeks we're going to get back into greed and potentially even enter extreme greed. We see Bitcoin up roughly 3%, Ethereum up 5%. Bitcoin slowly getting back into the 70,000 range. It's very interesting to see. The reason why I'm highlighting Bitcoin so much, guys, is Bitcoin's patterns are going to form what we see next for the meme coin. So if Bitcoin does good, we're anticipating to see all the meme coins and altcoins pump as well. So we can see this Bitcoin inverse head and shoulders patterns sets a target price of $72,000. That could be absolutely insane, and obviously we're going to go more higher from there. Now, this first coin on our list today is Dogeverse. Dogeverse, the world's chain traveling Doge, the world's first chain traveling Doge that's raised over $15 million. This is absolutely insane, as this project has been only raising money for the past 4 to 5 weeks. 15 million is showing a lot of investor confidence. Not only are investors confident on this, but they're growing a massive community. Last I checked, they had 17,000 followers yesterday, and now we're at 18,000 followers. They're growing rapidly fast, doubling down on the meme aspect of a meme coin, and also giving us some solid utility. What do I mean by utility? First of all, they're multi-chain, so you can buy and claim Dogeverse on 6 following chains, right? That's absolutely splendid. Not only that, but they have staking mixed in as well, so you can earn 54% APY, and it's dynamic range staking, meaning it could go higher, it could go a bit lower. But again, where are you earning 54% in the traditional banking system? Absolutely nowhere. So you get in super early and also stake your tokens. It's featured on a ton of different articles. The multi-bridge utility is that edge, that cherry on top of the cake, the different utility that is making this different from the rest of the coins in the crowd. They have a solid roadmap in place. Their later phases are obviously getting their centralized exchange listing, more marketing, and community incentives. Now, guys, here's the thing with pre-sale gems. People buy in, it launches, it has a launch pump, okay? Then obviously a pullback. Then it gets listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, cause it to pump again. Sometimes even cause it to go trending, and if it trends, again, another pump. Then centralized exchange listings and even decentralized exchange listings cause it to pump even more. So you want to get in early on pre-sale gems, not necessarily just Dogeverse, but just pre-sale gems in general. So again, it's very solid tokenomics as well. We see pre-sale allocation, staking, project funds, liquidity, marketing, ecosystem funds, and exchanges. So absolutely solid bag here. So again, obviously it's not financial advice, do your own research and due diligence, but Dogeverse is looking pretty solid, and it's top on my list in terms of pre-sale gems. Now, the next coin on this list is Wiener AI, part dog, part sausage, and part AI trading bot, powered by the Sausage Army. Now, this one has raised over $2.1 million as well, which is absolutely massive. Again, a little bit later than Dogeverse, but again, back to those dog-themed tokens, right? The dog-themed tokens are really taking over the internet. Wiener AI has about 9,000 followers, and we can see it's garnering some good news. Bitcoin.com news covered this token, which is great. So a new crypto pre-sale to watch AI, Wiener AI meme coin hits 2 million milestone. So that's awesome to see that. Obviously Bitcoin.com news is a big news platform for crypto with over 2.9 million people following this, including Crypto.com's also following this. So we can see if Wiener AI gets in front of the eyes of Crypto.com, can we see Crypto.com listing off the bat? That could be insane. 2 million raised. You're going to want to load up. Again, the incentive for loading up early, guys, is they increase the prices during the pre-sale. So we can see right now, the raise 2.1 million, and until the next price increase. So once this bar is full, they're going to raise the price. Meaning anyone who gets in early is entering at a lower price, which is super awesome. They have a whole story for this. We see the total stake, the percentage stake, the rewards, and then the total rewards given out. Feature a ton of different articles. What is Wiener AI? Despite a hilarious sausagey exterior, Wiener AI is a pinnacle of AI trading technology with girthy, predictable features. Wiener Wiener AI is traders' best friend. So we can see AI enhanced trading, seamless sausage swap, zero fees, MEV protection. That's awesome as well. Very clean website as well. I love when the websites are clean. It just adds some more investor confidence. So tokenomics are displayed here, and the Wiener AI's master plan, their roadmap is stepped out into three-phase plan, which is great to see. Clean website, all the information you need. Again, growing on socials as well, which is doing pretty phenomenal. Make sure you check this one out. I'm going to link it in the description below. Now, the last token on my list is a Solana token, because we've been seeing Solana tokens have extreme amounts of success. This one is Solana. So buy Solana now. The pre-sale's live. One seal equals 0.2 cents. Okay, we can see currently raised $1.5 million. And it's a very simple website. You connect your wallet or you can buy with ETH. It's that simple. They have an about tab talking about this Solana, meet Solana, the chubby seal who's taken a deep dive into the Solana sea, whaled at his PC and growing by the day. Solana is absorbed in the degen market and has abandoned his gorgeous figure of his youth for a trader's diet of chips and tinned tuna. His obsession with finding the next big Solana meme coin has his flippers busy and in his living room in a big fat mess. So they have a story how to buy. Again, it's a meme coin. They want to engage with the community, put a little story there. It's awesome to see, right? We don't expect a lot of utility from these meme coins, but again, Solana coins have been going absolutely crazy. And again, we get these Solana themed tokens, mascot tokens, which I like to call, and they go absolutely berserk. Over 4,000 followers. Looks like they're pretty active on X as well. And again, a lot of upside potential for this project. Now, again, no one token is superior than the other. In my personal opinion, I am leaning a bit more to Dogeverse. I really like the potential there because it's already growing massive. It has a ton of hype behind it. And again, this could be a top trade token. Imagine if you got into Shiba Inu's pre-sale. Imagine if you got into Floki Inu's pre-sale. Could this be the case with Dogeverse? Let me know your comments, your concerns in the comment section below. Like always, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And let me know, did I miss a pre-sale gem? Is there a token that you're aping in that's on pre-sale right now? Let's chat in the community. Let's get the whole community involved. And guys, we're starting a Discord very soon. Once that's live, we're going to link that in the description below. So if you want to join our community in a bigger way, that is coming very soon. That wraps up the video. Like always, not financial advice. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.